I'm saying another article, so we got a lot
of stuff to talk about. YouTube, go to Block Nation Network. YouTube is Block Nation Network. We're gonna do another background, and we're gonna put the socials on there. That way y'all will see everything. But yeah, Block Nation Network is the YouTube.
What up? What up? Good looking. Good looking. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for all that. All that.
I'm texting Akko right now. I'm telling him to let me know when he about to hop on. If he able to. If not, it'll be later today. If you in the Telegram, you already hip to what we getting ready to talk about. You already getting ready to print money if you're in the Telegram. Yeah.
Make sure you double tap the screen and share in the live. Man.
Let me tell y'all about the fuckery though. Let's talk about the fuckery real quick before we get into that Warren Buffett shit. So they got on, what is this? Oh, let me add you real. Oh, Aqua's on here. You got to come over to YouTube, B. Aqua just came on. Yeah.
I know you over there.
Oh yeah, I'm on now. I'm on. Yeah, they got the likes up. We at 18K over here. What's up, Aqua? What's good, bro?
Yo, what's good? How y'all living?
We good. You're able to share your screen over? Do you need to share your screen over there? You able to share your screen, right?
To be honest with you, I'm on my phone right now, so I don't know if I'm able to. So hold on, let me just hold on, let me see here.
Okay. We about to get into it. There we go. If not, just let me know, and then I'll share my screen, and I'll share like the screenshots and stuff that you put in like the Telegram. What up? What up? Yeah, y'all. If y'all want to see what we get ready to show, or you can listen in for sure over here on TikTok if you don't have a YouTube, but I don't know who don't have YouTube. Or you can catch the recording and just listen in. But yeah. Did you you about to come on YouTube now, D?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's show this Buffett thing. While Aqua getting set up, I just want to talk about Warren Buffett real quick.
You hear me? Hold up.
All right. Well, let me hold on because I'm gonna have to let D in. Y'all give me 1 second. All right, there go D.
You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Turn this down over here. All right, bet we Gucci. And then there go Aqua. Aqua, what's good?
Yo, what's good? I don't know what happened there. I couldn't hear you guys for a second, so I had to leave and come back.
Okay, no, you good, bro. You good. I'm just gonna go over this Warren Buffett thing. Did you see he's retired? You know, bro, isn't it kind of coincidental that he wants to retire out of all? He's 94. He could have retired 20 years ago, 30 years ago. He wants to retire now.
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden. So I just wanted to go over this article real quick, and then we can go because I know you got to go to the gym. Then we can go right into what you were sharing in the Telegram. But yeah, y'all. Real quick. So Buffett to step down as Berkshire CEO after 60 years. 60 years. He passes the baton to Abel. That name also, was a little like, okay. But yeah, but he said that he's gonna give up his CEO role at year end. And then Abel says he's humble and honored. Let me actually go back because I'm not paying Reuters no dollar for their subscription. Sorry, not sorry. Hold on. Because I wanted to read something that Buffett said. I know y'all been seeing this quote. Going around. Here we go. We'll just read this one from BBC. I don't think you need a subscription for them. Okay, cool. Can y'all see my screen? Let me share it again. Hold on. Oh yeah, no, y'all can see.
Yeah.
Y'all can see it. Okay, cool. So yeah, Buffett. So y'all know Buffett, who built Berkshire Hathaway. Y'all know they own more Treasury bills than the fucking Federal Reserve. Does he put this quote in this article? I just wanted to go to the part where he told everybody that it would be smart to hold more currencies than just the US dollar. That's pretty much all I gave a fuck about. Anyway, I don't know where that shit is, but he said in an interview that it would be behoove you to hold more currencies than just the US dollar. So of course he's not going to say crypto, he's not going to say digital assets, but if read between the lines, y'all know what the nigga's talking about. He's probably talking about like foreign currencies, cryptocurrencies, and gold and silver. So listen, he's a clear indicator. It's fucking Warren Buffett. He's been calling shit for years. So I wouldn't take it lightly, like we were just saying. Out of all times for this man to retire, all of a sudden he wants to retire in 2025. So
he is the indicator. He is the indicator.
he is facts.
You know what I mean? No, that shit is wild. But it's just another one to add to the list. All these CEOs and all these people that's talking about they retiring or for the past year and a half. Like he's probably the biggest indicator on the list that is like, damn, things are really about to change and shift.
Exactly. All right, Aqua. So we can go ahead and get into this Doge bot.
Yo, the Doge bot is crazy, guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, cool. So yeah, the man, I don't even know where to start. I came across a gem, an absolute gem, and it's been printing for me, absolutely printing. I want to say it's probably one of the easiest plays in DeFi. But this is this is considered kind of high risk. You know what I'm saying? So high risk, high reward. The way I look at it though is if you come into a platform with a plan though, you can really come in and crush it and end up on top if the platform ends up going under type of thing. So like, when you go on that website and you just start playing with the calculator is crazy. It basically breaks down what you would make daily based on however much you send to the platform and stake. What's so dope is that you can unstake at any moment. You can withdraw your money any moment, and then they give you every 24 hours. You could take your rewards, your daily rewards. So you get one withdrawal every 24 hours to take your daily rewards off the platform. And the numbers that I've seen is that basically it would take you anywhere 3 to 5 days to earn your initial back, whatever that investment may be. And it's literally that range, anywhere from 3 to 5 days, depending on how much you put up. I believe like the less is more in like the 5 day range, and then the more you put up, you'll make your initial back within the first 3 days. And the way I look at it is like, damn, if I can make my initial back within the first 3 days, that means every day going forward, I'm in the green, right? And if I strategize, then like, yo, like I could really eat off this platform. And if it ends up not, lasting for the long haul, at least I ate, got my initial out, and I made a little money. Getting into these platforms like this, I feel like we got to really just still be careful. You don't want to get greedy. You don't want to, continue to send money to the platform and never take profits. But yeah, I mean, the platform is pretty crazy. Let's see here. So I spoke with them, and this is how they're getting yield, right? So let me just read to you guys what they told me. So it says the high return rate of USDT staking primarily comes from the platform's efficient fund operations and profit strategies in DeFi, or other digital asset markets. The platform uses staked USDT for liquidity mining, lending, and other methods to generate returns. The returns are a portion of these profits go to the users, which allows us to give high interest rates compared to traditional products. So yeah, that's pretty much where the yield is coming from. Um, and yeah, I've shared my the link to get to this platform inside the Telegram. So if you're not in the Telegram, you definitely need to get inside that Telegram because there's so many gems inside that Telegram. And there's actually a few Block Nation family members that have tapped into the platform as well, and they started making money as well. So they can attest to, my experience that they're having a very similar experience right now. So yeah, I don't know if you have any questions you want to maybe just anything I didn't touch on that I forgot right now, but yeah, that's pretty much the platform in a nutshell.
There you go. So remember, y'all, he said it's high risk. Did you want to touch on what you were telling him in the general chat earlier?
As far as which part?
You were telling him about about how after 5 days you'll be de-risked and in pure profit, and then have a plan
Hmm.
before getting in.
Yeah, definitely. Like that's what I was saying too. Like, having a plan, don't get greedy and understanding, okay, when you make your initial back and then how much you're in the green going forward from that. You know what I mean? And then like, let's just say like, for example, you're kind of looking at this platform like, damn, well, what if this platform goes away in like a month? Like that's pretty smart to strategize to be taking green, taking all that green profit for the next 30 days. And then, if it lasts after those 30 days, it's like, damn, okay, maybe I could spend a little bit more money and re-risk myself again for the next 3 days. Cause again, you make your investment back within 3 days, which is wild, right? And then you get back into that green again, and then just understand, okay, well, if the platform goes away, I made X, Y, and Z, and this is all pure profit. And you don't want to get caught with your pants down, constantly sending money to a platform because you're just seeing like the returns actually, work. And then you start getting greedy, and then you start sending a bunch of money. You never took profits, and then boom, the platform just disappears or something like that. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I don't know. It's high risk though. You know what I mean? There's other plays in DeFi that are not high risk like this. But who knows? Maybe this platform ends up staying around for the long haul. Who knows? Because
Oh
there's
no.
other platforms out there that I've used and I've been using for the last 3 years when people said it was going to go away. Platforms like Cryptonomy, they've been around for 7 years now. Cryptonomy's been a platform for 7 years, and I've been printing off of it for the past 3 years with zero issues. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, to each their own. Do your own homework, do your own due diligence. Never financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by no means, but yeah, we're
But
in the
yeah,
golden ages of DeFi, baby. So let's take advantage now.
exactly. So yeah, that's really what we wanted to show y'all. That's in the Telegram, by the way. That's Mr. Aqua. Who's D? Is that your phone echoing? I hear myself talking. It's not. Oh, it might be Aqua's phone. Are you in the car? Oh, okay, yeah, it was Aqua's phone. Okay, but yeah, I would take advantage of that. Aqua has already made his initial investment back, so we just wanted to share that with y'all. But definitely do your homework on it. The link for that is in the Telegram. It's been in the Telegram. I think we put it in the Telegram a couple days ago. I just wanted to talk about it on live. You dropping a YouTube video on it too, right, Aqua?
Yeah, I'm gonna be dropping a YouTube video on it. You guys are gonna see the YouTube video is about to get people fired up. I'm telling you because I've been printing off this thing, so you guys are gonna see it. I'm gonna show you guys the proof. The transactions on chain, it hitting my wallet, the whole nine. You know what I'm saying? So like, you guys will see.
For
Give
sure.
you guys that peace of mind.
So yeah, definitely drop that video on
Damn.
Instagram once you post it. Definitely drop the link in that Wealth 28 Club link. And then also, guys, we're gonna do a class with him and DeFi King, I believe on the 18th. We dropped that in the Telegram earlier as well. We doing a class with them. What do we call that class, D?
Oh, banking with digital assets.
There you go. So DeFi King is gonna all that because we got a lot. I got a lot of messages after that live we did with DeFi King about loan protocol and metal and web auth and all. So DeFi King in a nutshell just gonna show y'all all of that in that class. It's gonna be epic. And then we got Aqua coming in who's gonna show y'all some DeFi stuff and tell y'all about the Wealth 28 Club and all that good stuff. So I wouldn't miss that class because if you're trying to have your assets making money for you now, I would definitely hop in there. They're gonna show y'all about all of that. So hey, we trying to print money now. We got to go
Yep.
get to this money on. So there you go.
Yep.
But yeah, if you want to learn more about DeFi, all that good stuff, Wealth 28 Club link is in the bio. Well, 28 Club link is in the bio. But yeah, Aqua, I'll let you go ahead and get to the gym, bro. I just wanted you to come on here and talk about that real quick since you had put it in Telegram. That way they could ask you firsthand. I don't know if anybody had any questions before he hop off. My bad. Let me go through the comments real quick.
Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll jump off. I'll still tap in, but yeah, I'm right here at the gym. That's probably why I'm echoing and say I'm in the
I
like the
figured that.
resting area.
Yeah, now you good. You sent a DM to who you sent a DM to? Because I didn't see your DM because I checked for your DM after the last live. I didn't see a DM from you. It's in the Wealth 28 Club tab in the Telegram. Yeah, I don't see any. I think people were asking about the platform. It's what is it called? The Doge bot or something? The link. Let me see.
Somebody asked what my YouTube is. It's Mr. Aquaman 33.
There we go. Mr. Aquaman 33. Yes, it's called Doge bot. It's called Doge bot. Oh, you want to tell them about the referral program? About how they get paid off that too? I don't know if you touched on the referral part.
Oh yeah, there's money to be made too. So when you share this with your friends and family, because you're earning money and you're like, oh hey, look at what I've made. Maybe you should, tap into some of this as well. Well, when they use your referral code, just like if you send a referral code for Uphold or Coinbase, you're gonna get a little treat. But with these guys, it's actually a nice treat. So check out the
Mm.
referral program. There's like a whole program that you could tap into on their referral tab, and it breaks down a bunch of stuff for you, and it has frequently asked questions and a bunch of cool things that you guys can go on there and take a look at. But lots of opportunity, especially how easy this play is, to be honest with you guys. So there's bread on the table on multiple tables with this play, to be honest with you guys. So tap in.
Yeah, somebody asked, do you need to have referrals to withdraw?
No, you do not. You do not need. No, 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 no. That's a myth. That's like something somebody conjured up in their mind. But like, no, you don't need that to, to,
Yeah,
to
yeah,
withdraw.
that's that skin. Yeah, that's that scammy shit. No, 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 that's not with this, y'all.
Yeah, that's not the case here.
And someone else said, so we get referral code for referring someone. Yeah, you get a referral code when you when how does that work? Aqua, they get a referral code when they sign up, right?
Yeah, once you sign up, then you go to the referral tab, and then you'll have your own referral code and link that you can share. And we're all connected too, so like all of us will be all connected to like one big like tree and shit. So yeah,
Yep. So yeah, the link for that's in the Telegram. It's people in the chat now saying that they've cashed out from this, they've made money from this in the Telegram right now. Shout out to Paige. Who else in here talking right now? Paige and Wyatt said that they've cashed out multiple times or withdrew multiple times. So hey, people making money in this Telegram. Telegram pays for itself if you come in there and you do the work. But yeah. All right, well, yeah, appreciate you, Aqua, man. That was clutch. So yeah, we'll you already know we'll have you back on. We'll probably go back on, but yeah, you already know. We'll get ready for this. Get these people
yeah,
ready
yeah.
for this class and stuff. Get them fired up for the 28
It
Club.
sounds
All right,
good.
bro.
I'll share my YouTube link too later on once I complete the video. So
Yeah,
it's
for
already
sure.
halfway
Yeah.
done. I gotta
Okay,
make the
yeah.
other half today. So
Okay, yeah, for sure. Put it in that Wealth 28 Club tab when you done, bro.
yes, sir. All right.
For
Peace,
sure.
y'all.
Appreciate
Later.
you.
All right,
Yep.
yo.
All right. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's the money printer. The money printer play I wanted to share with y'all. Please do your homework, not financial advice. He could have kept that to himself. I just want y'all to know, like dead ass, I can show y'all. Like, shout out to Mr. Aqua. I know he won't mind me showing y'all this because he put it in Telegram anyway. I'm gonna just show y'all on YouTube. Like, this man been printing money from this shit. I was so mind blown. Like, right here, right here. Like he put in five bands. This man is making $1,000 a day.
Mm,
Man is making $1,000 a day
mm,
off of this shit right
mm.
now. He could have kept he could have kept this to himself. He could have kept this to himself, bro.
There's the proof. There's the proof.
That is how you get blessed abundantly in life. This is how you get blessed abundantly. Dead ass. He definitely came in clutch, bro. He definitely came in clutch. He looked out. This is the Doge bot, but we been put this in the Telegram like a couple days ago. Like he put the Telegram on days ago. So niggas in the Telegram already was in there. That's why I keep telling y'all to get in the Telegram. Lions Den, appreciate you. Appreciate you. We appreciate you for supporting us and being on the channel and being in the comments. We appreciate you, brother or sister. I don't know if you're a girl or a boy. I'm sorry. But yeah, we got some articles to go over. So we do got some crypto news and some crypto updates. Man, making money just makes me excited, and I'm glad to see people making money. Cause bro, the withdrawal process for that is like you get to withdraw every 24 hours. That shit is crazy. So yeah, I'm definitely getting in on that this week. I'm gonna definitely get in on that. Yeah, I'm putting my people on to that. We're gonna take advantage of that around.
Gotcha.
Yeah, definitely not gonna get greedy, but definitely gonna get in on that. That's a money printer right there. Your money making money for you in your $1,000 a day, bro. That is crazy. I mean, yeah, he put in 5 bands, but shit, he made that back.
Made that back in the week. Made that back in the week.
Made that back in a week. Yeah, use his code. When y'all sign up, use Mr. Aqua's code 686477. Use his code 686477 when y'all sign up. Show love. He did not have to tell y'all that, so definitely use his referral code because he could have kept that shit to himself and just been paying money. But at least do that. Use his code. His code is where did it go? 686477. Please use his code. He put y'all on. That's the least y'all could do to pay homage. Use his code 686477. But yeah, D, I'm gonna let you go over. Let me pull up your which one did you want to go over first?
I think I sent you like 3. I sent you one about your girl first.
Who?
Scroll up. You'll see.
Oh, Elizabeth Punk. I'm calling my ones with her. Y'all let Elizabeth know we got beef. Dead ass. We got beef. I'm calling my ones with this old wicked witch. I'm calling my ones with her, bro. I'm about sick of this. I'm about sick of her, bro. I'm about sick of Elizabeth and her old ass. I'm sick of this, bro. Like, I'm sick of her, bro. For real. I'm about to send one of my great aunties on her ass. For real. About to send one of my great aunties on her ass. I'm sick of this bitch. I'm trying not to, because it's YouTube. I'm trying not to, but I'm sick of this wicked witch. She getting on my nerves. Where you at? Oh, here you is. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to pull it up right now. I seen when you said that. I'm gonna get my great auntie on her ass. My great aunties from the country, they don't care.
They're gonna shoot the fair one.
It's gonna be a wrap for her, bro. It's gonna be a wrap for her. They gonna drag her ass through the dirt. I'm about sick of Elizabeth. I'm sick of Elizabeth, bro. For real. She annoying. Where that article at? I don't see it, D. I just saw it earlier. Eric Trump.
Nah, you gotta go down. It's the first one I sent you today.
My bad. I can't find my mouse.
I'll resend it to you. I
see Suey.
I just resent it to you.
Okay. Playtron, it was Blog Nation, Zoom. Or this is just not refreshing. My Zoom, my Telegram. I'm sorry, y'all. Bear with me. I don't know what the fuck going on. Hold on. Yeah, I'm about sick of Elizabeth though. Okay, here we go. Let me text it to myself because I don't know what the fuck going
on. Make sure y'all double tap your screen sharing the live.
You can't share your screen?
I can't share my screen. I mean, I would have to.
Oh, it's okay. Hold on. I just gotta. Hold on.
You want me to text it to you?
No, I got it. I have to send it to myself. I don't know what the fuck. I gotta find my mouse, bro. I'm about sick of this computer. I don't know why I bought it. I'm about sick of the MacBook. Like Apple about to get a bad review for me, or it might be me. It might be me because I'm just not. Here we go. All right, I'm about to share my screen right here. It might be a user error, but I don't care. It's getting on my nerves. Make shit difficult.
Okay.
All right, there we go. Listen.
This is what she said. This is what she said. Say no to crypto legislation. Senator Warren urges Senate on shady Trump deal. Hey, in.
I'm sending my great auntie on this bitch, bro. I'm sick of her, bro. I'm sick of her. Look at her. She cockeyed and everything. Like, bro, you got glasses on, you still cockeyed. That shit weird. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with this lady, bro? What is wrong with this lady?
Let's talk about
no to crypto. These are the same people that do insider trading. Mind y'all, the contradiction is insane. These are the same people that do insider trading. Elizabeth, you make $200,000 a year. How the fuck are you worth more than $10 million? What is her net worth? How?
Probably more than that.
How do you have all this money? Where did you get it from? Y'all talking about the shady Trump deal? How are you worth millions and millions and millions of dollars and your salary is $200K, sweetheart? Listen, bro. We got to send the great aunties on this hoe.
Listen.
We got to. Listen. She got to be out her mind.
Listen. So let's see what she's talking about. So look what it says. It says U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren has raised major red flags about Donald Trump's association with the crypto industry and the recent $2 billion deal backed by the UAE, the United Arab Emirates, right? Calling it a pathway to huge corruption. Like these jokers ain't been corrupt this whole time, doing all this other stuff, like you just said. So as a result, she has urged the U.S. Senate to stop crypto legislation and the Genius Act ahead of this week. So she went to X. And said the Trump family stablecoin surged to the 7th largest in the world because of a shady crypto deal with the United Arab Emirates, a foreign government that will give them crazy amount of money. Sound like a hater to me. The
sounds like a hater. Sounds like a hater. After you've reaped the benefits of insider trading, you worried about he's making deals with the Emirates and
why you ain't in on the action? Oh, you didn't get the information.
She is in on the action. That's the wild part.
So she also said
Bitcoin this hoe got. This hoe probably got hella Bitcoin, hella XRP, hella Ethereum. She definitely an Ethereum whale. I know for a fact she's an Ethereum whale. Like fuck out of here.
Yeah. So she also said that the Senate shouldn't pass a crypto bill this week to facilitate this kind of corruption. And then she played and then there's a video that she attached to it. You want to play the video? What?
Yes, we're gonna play the video.
Okay.
I'm so sick of this wicked witch. Okay.
You're not profiting off of the cryptocurrency.
I haven't even looked.
Has your family?
I'll tell you what, look, if I own stock in something and I do a good job and the stock market goes up, I guess I'm profiting.
What?
Free enterprise.
What are we talking about right now, bro? What is we talking about?
Ain't this where we live, Queens?
Can I play the clip one more time?
Go ahead.
15 seconds.
You're not profiting off of the cryptocurrency.
I haven't even looked.
Has your family?
I'll tell you what, look, if I own stock in something and I do a good job and the stock market goes up, I guess I'm profiting.
That's it. He said, I guess I'm Come on, fam.
Has she not profited from the stock market?
Bro, they all do.
Clearly, have I seen her portfolio?
They all do. So let's see what she's hating on. So Senator Warren attacks USD1 stablecoin. So y'all remember we was talking about the USD1 stablecoin about a week or two ago, right? So in her fresh attack on the Trump family, Warren referred to the newly launched USD1 stablecoin backed by short-term U.S. Treasuries. This stablecoin has been issued by Donald Trump DeFi program, World Liberty Financial, right? Y'all familiar with that by now. If not, go look it up, World Liberty Financial. He literally tells you what he's invested in, what the World Liberty Financial Group is invested in, the portfolio and everything, right?
So
the global stablecoin.
He ain't hiding shit.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
He ain't hiding a damn thing. He ain't hiding a damn thing.
So he showed his portfolio pre-bull run while it's still affordable for anybody to get in, including Elizabeth, right? Elizabeth can get in too, right? Well, okay, that's what I just wanted to clear that up. So so everybody here can see what he's doing and has an opportunity here. Okay, all right, go ahead.
That's it. That's it. She just got to stay on her side of the fence. I think that's why she's doing it.
Man, fuck
The
her.
global stablecoin market currently surpasses 245 billion in circulation. So according to CoinGecko, which is a platform you guys could look up any coin pretty much, CoinGecko, USD1 ranks 7th among stablecoins, with the most being backed by short-term US treasuries and other real-world debt instruments. So World Liberty's USD1 will play a pivotal role as the settlement currency for MGX's $2 billion investment in Binance, which we talked about several days ago, the global cryptocurrency exchange, right? So Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund is backing MGX, with Wyckoff publicly announcing that the deal last week during the crypto convention over in Dubai, right? And Eric Trump was there. Remember, he was talking about all this innovation, how we need to stop, these legacy banks and everything like that. Listen, and he also said he's been actively questioning Donald Trump's association with the crypto industry, while referring to the Crypto Legislation Genius Act. She said, quote, "This is a bill that would make it even easier for the president and his family to profit off of their own stablecoin and oversee their own financial company." This is how people are going to get thrown for a loop. They're not going to get into crypto. Like the new super newbies, they're not going to get into crypto because people like her are going to keep pointing the blame at somebody like him, saying that, yo, he's going to profit off of that. And they're going to be deterred from even walking into this arena just because somebody like her is saying this.
And the stupid part about it is this is an asset class what anybody can get wealthy from. This isn't just an opportunity for the wealthy. It's not an opportunity just for Donald Trump. That's the crazy part about the whole thing. Anybody, including a homeless man on the street, can use his Obama phone and get into this asset class. That is the saddest part about. That's why I'm calling her a wicked witch. That's a demon.
Yeah.
Stopping y'all from generational wealth and taking care of your kids and sending your kids to college, whatever the fuck y'all want to do, culinary school, whatever the fuck it is. These people are stopping y'all. These people are the reason y'all digging in y'all 401ks and shit to keep your fucking head above water because they don't want y'all to obtain any type of generational wealth. They don't want y'all to have any type of opportunity. They just want y'all to work and be miserable and get up every day being a hater because you got to go to a job that you fucking hate.
We got a comment. We got a comment on YouTube. This person said it best. Nicosia Lifestyle said that she wants to keep ruling over the poor. If it wasn't for the poor, she wouldn't get a vote. And I was like, damn, that's a good point.
Damn.
That's exactly what you're saying.
She wouldn't get a vote because she ponders to the poor. She ponders to the baby boomers that had to work for the last 30, 40 years. And because they feel like they had to work their whole life, that we need to do the same thing, which is a crazy mentality to have, but that's their mentality and they're stuck in it. So she ponders to them, gets them ruffled up. Like, look at this. He's going to get rich off of this. He has his own stable coin and his own crypto bank. And look at how wealthy he's going to get, not realizing that all the millennials, all their grandchildren and their great grandchildren have an opportunity to change the whole trajectory of our fucking bloodline. We all can fucking win, not just Donald Trump.
It's enough for everybody.
Who gives us? He's already a billionaire, so why do we give a fuck? He's already fucking wealthy. So what is y'all mad about? What y'all gonna do about it? He's already a billionaire. He's a billionaire right now as we speak, and y'all mad because he's gonna get even wealthier. That's dumb. That's retarded. That's why I said, bro, Elizabeth Warren, I'm sending my great aunt on your ass. I'm on your ass, Elizabeth Warren, for real.
So
out of here, bro.
So to close this article out, while further questioning Senate's inaction in a Trump-associated crypto deal, Senator Warren called it corruption in plain sight. This is such some hypocritical shit. She warned that by advancing regulated legislation, lawmakers are effectively greenlighting the grift. Just like they greenlit all those stocks, right? Just like they greenlight all those calls, all those puts, right?
After Doge, y'all can feel how y'all want to feel. After Doge just showed y'all I don't care if you don't like Elon Musk or Donald Trump. Doge just showed y'all the corruption in the federal government with your taxpayer money, and this bitch wants to get on here talking about corruption.
Yo, that's just wild. Skylar, thank you for the super chat. Appreciate the super chat.
I know I saw Skylar's comment. What did Skylar say again? Skylar had said something about the Emirates.
Oh, the Emirates are pretty much terrorists that ship uranium. Ship uranium to Iran through the RSF rebels in Sudan. Damn.
I gotta look into that. I gotta look into that because I hadn't heard about that. I won't hip to that. I appreciate you for putting that in there. I'm gonna have to look into that show. Let me actually take a picture of that because I'm now.
They also said, Skylar also said, not everybody wins. You damn right about that. Yeah. Yo, hey, Evie said I got an auntie ready to crash out right now. For real. Word up. Tell them, fam. Tell them. Listen. Yeah, that's why y'all got to use your discernment, fam.
Listen.
Discernment is key.
You take this opportunity. I get it. Not everyone wins, but you take this opportunity, and as a new 1%er, you do the complete opposite as the old 1%. They didn't go out here and help feed the poor and feed the family and help all these people in need here in the U.S. because we got to take care of home first. They didn't do that. We're going to do it. They destroyed California. We need to help build California back up. Like, we do the complete opposite. So, no, we can make a difference. You know what I'm saying? I get it. It may be unfortunate for some people, but the new 1%ers, you have a chance to change the world. So let's do it. That's the reason why a lot of people were chosen for this information to click in their brain, because a lot of people have a brick wall. You say something about crypto and they just be like, oh no, it's a scam, it's a fraud. Like, it's happening, it's going mainstream. It's nothing you guys are going to do to stop it. So it's coming. So
yeah, it's coming. It's here. It's here already. Essentially, it's here. It's just gonna ramp up.
Yeah, man. That article, this article fired me up, bro. This article fired me up. I can't stand this hoe.
I know, that's why I sent it to you. I was like, oh, you gonna get kicked out of this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I can't stand this hoe. I can't stand her. She need to go ahead and retire. Does she even have any grandkids? Who had the audacity to put children in this bitch? I want to know. I need to see the nigga. I need to see what her husband look like now. Now we got to pull that up. I'm sorry. Then we gonna move on. Then we gonna.
Maybe she was bad back in the day.
She was not bad. She ain't even thick. Hold on, Elizabeth Warren. I need to see her husband. I need to see who the fuck is sleeping with that every night, because that is crazy. Oh, he looked about crazy as hell too. He looked about crazy as hell too. Let me see.
Oh, snap.
Look at them back in the day. Look, D.
Let me see.
His name is Bruce. Bruce. Only a Bruce would be with an Elizabeth.
Yo.
Yeah, he looked crazy.
You know,
they both look like they eat babies and shit. What you say?
Shout out to my pops, because I remember we was watching a video one night. You know, she was a part of that whole Great Recession back in the day. If you didn't know, she was a part of that whole Great Recession. I think she was with Bank of America or something like that. Anyway, she was part of the whole Great Recession. She knew about all that shit. She was in the mix of all that shit. She profited off of the downfall of the economy during that time period. She profited off of the downfall. People was losing jobs. People was messed up. Credit issues, all type of stuff. She profited off of that stuff. So let's not. So when you point at somebody, you got three pointing right back at you. Just remember that.
Damn, Elizabeth. Damn. So they got that on you too, and you sitting here talking about corruption. You got some nerve. If y'all read Aquaman comment on TikTok, he just I can't say it. I don't want to get the shit taken down. Boy, please. Aquaman comment. I'm sorry, I can't say it, y'all. I get a lot taken down.
Oh damn. Yeah. Damn.
I'm sorry.
Damn.
I had to bring some type of attention to it though. Aqua, chill. You know how these apps get to acting when we start talking like that. Yeah. Not
so, what you want to go into?
Got another.
What we got next?
Let me see. Hold on. So yeah. Also, this is how you know Trump ain't paying no attention to Elizabeth, because when he was asked about Democrats pushing back on the when he was asked about it, y'all know what Trump said. He said, "I didn't hear anything about that. I think it's great." Like he straight up ignoring them, like, because he knows y'all signing this bill. Y'all are gonna get this done, and it's gonna be on my desk, and I'm gonna sign it. Like point blank, period. Like, where is it here? I just saw
shout out to this bill being pushed through.
Yeah, because
you know what I mean.
Here it is. I found it right here. President Trump says the crypto market. Oh no, wait.
What we got?
Not that one. It's another one. He was in the interview.
Y'all are wild on TikTok. Y'all are wild. Y'all are wild.
Yeah, no.
This week, ABC News show last Sunday was about talking about crypto. Yeah, they getting y'all ready. They gotta tell you. They gotta tell you before they implement these things. They gotta tell you.
And y'all know it's coming because Jim Cramer says there will not be a recession. So this is how you know we have. Hey, chill. This is how you know it's a recession.
What? Yo, how is he on TV getting it, yo? He literally just said that. He said there will not be a recession.
He getting paid, my nigga.
Oh my God.
He said it's not gonna be a recession.
God.
If we're not already in one, nigga, we going into a depression, my nigga.
Yeah. I guess he's right in that sense. I guess
niggas going in their 401ks to survive right now, nigga. We going.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So how is it not a recession? Because they keep moving the goalposts on what a recession is, yo. But you're right. We're going through a depression era.
Hey, right. Shout out to Diego on YouTube. Diego said there are powerful people backing crypto. E. Warren better watch her back. She absolutely better watch her, because there's definitely some powerful people. They got a lot of money on the line. She better chill out. That's why I said she's gonna retire. She gonna sit her old ass down with Bruce, and then he's gonna sell off in the sea or some shit. She need to go shut up.
I'm tripping.
Go ahead and go somewhere.
I'm tripping over Jim Cramer, yo. This joker really said it's not gonna be a recession,
bro. Because y'all keep telling y'all it
is.
is.
Oh my God. Oh my God, yo. Why y'all listen to these niggas, man? Why y'all listen to these jokers? Man. Goodness gracious. All right. What we got next? What you want to talk about? You want to talk about XRP and Solana next?
I'm telling you. Let's talk about XRP and Solana. Let me get that article real quick. Send it to me again, bro. This shit acting stupid. Hold on, wait. Maybe I can get it.
I think it was right above the one I just sent.
For some reason, Telegram. I think I need to update it on my computer.
Okay. All right, hold on. I'll send it to you again. Hold on. I got you.
You need a little update because I updated my damn computer the other day.
And I'll send you the other one about Solana, because you know how we'll go into Solana, the Solana one after this one.
Okay. I just sent it to myself. You good?
Oh, okay. All right. Here we go. Good old Elizabeth. Yeah, she better be glad I ain't old. I caught my ones on her. All right. So what does it say? XRP and Solana in the spotlight as crypto investment inflows top 2 billion. Not one, but two. I'm saying like I didn't say it in Baltimore. Two. All right. Two. Shout out to some people's in the 410, 443. Yeah. Shout out to some people out there. Two. What you gonna do? Two. All right. Digital assets investments products saw over 2 billion in inflows last week, with Bitcoin leading and the altcoins like XRP and Solana gaining strong investor attention. All right. So global investment in digital asset products managed by leading firms saw a strong recovery last week, with inflows surpassing $2 billion. This will mark the third consecutive week of positive momentum. Per current market data, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, remained the key driver, right? However, alternative digital assets like Solana and XRP, so that's Sol and XRP, right, drew notable investor attention, right? So according to the latest CoinShares report, Bitcoin led the surge with 1.84 billion in fresh inflows last week, This marks the second consecutive week that Bitcoin has taken the lead in a previous update. The Bitcoin investment brought in a total year-to-date inflows of $5.58 billion, right? The growth helped drive the total assets under management across digital asset funds to 156 billion. It's a lot of money to be moving around, man. A lot of money. However, this week's renewed focus on altcoins, particularly XRP and Solana, stood out. As detailed, XRP saw 10.5 million in inflows, making it one of the top performing altcoins over the week. Its year-to-date total stands at 256 million. As of writing, the XRP price was traded at $2.14. I'm not sure where it's at right now, but it's in that $2.15, $2.20 range, I'm pretty sure. And then followed after that was Solana with $6 million in new investments, pushing this year to date total to 80 million. And last week, Solana was the only major altcoin to record outflows of 5.7 million. And they're currently trading at $144 range, right? So I see this and I'm just like, yep. And I'm like, but why are people getting into Solana crazy? Could it be what we was talking about a week before with the DTTC involving themselves in the whole Solana blockchain? Or could it be that Solana is possibly fixing things?
Solana's fixing stuff. I seen something. There's
Right?
a big announcement coming out.
Right. So
blockchain because it's trash.
Yeah. So it's a lot of. Let's see what they're talking about with that, because pretty much the rest of this article talk, and we'll put this in the Telegram. This rest of the article is talking about the inflows in the United States and all over the world. So the other article, you got the other article, right, about Solana?
I was looking for that. I didn't see it.
I'll send it to you.
I only got the XRP and Solana article. I didn't get the. Oh wait, Solana developers release. Okay, yeah. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah. Sorry.
All right.
Yes, sir.
True.
All right.
Solana developers release crucial bug fix. So they're about to fix this bug because Solana been breaking down like, what do you say? Solana be breaking down more than the McDonald's ice cream machine, right?
Yeah, that's what Kurt be saying.
Yeah. Shout out to Kurt. So developers and validators at the Solana Foundation have fixed a crucial bug that allowed attackers to potentially mint certain tokens on the blockchain and even withdraw them from user accounts. So despite consolidation under $150 over the past week, Solana price has shown strength with 20% gains over the monthly chart as analysts predict higher targets to $200 and above. Okay. So the Solana Foundation flagged critical vulnerability. So over the last weekend on May 3rd, the Solana Foundation flagged a critical vulnerability discovered on April 16th. I'm pretty sure it was before that because it's about that damn blockchain been broke down about 8, 9, 10 times. That could have allowed attackers to forge invalid zero knowledge proofs and steal token 2022. Token 22 confidential tokens. Token 22 confidential tokens. Okay. Solana's privacy focused asset. Oh, okay. I got you. So this flaw emerged from the missing algebraic components in the Z. It's about to be some real technical shit. ZKL Gamo proof system, which handles private balance verification. So I guess the whole verification on their blockchain is being fixed, right? Although there was no no exploit reported, the Solana Foundation was quick to deploy patches with both validators updating their software just within 2 days. The issue affected two key programs, which was the Token 2022 and the ZKL Gamma Proof, used for token logic and privacy features. Despite the user funds remaining safe, the Solana Foundation faced major backlash for its private communication with validators, thereby raising concerns for centralization and possible validator collusion. Oh, so this, I guess Solana is one of those blockchains that's just like, yeah, we doing some grimy shit behind closed doors, but we're gonna get our money anyway. So just listen, guys, just be careful when you're dealing with Solana, right? I'm not crazy about it, but at the same time, it seemed like they're in the mix of a lot of different things going forward, especially the stock market.
It's a lot of liquidity over there, and it's like DeFi King was saying the other day. These institutions like money. They have a lot of liquidity over there because of their meme coins. So that's why Solana stays in the mix, because they got a lot of money over there.
Yeah, they got a lot of bread over there. So
it is a such thing as too big to fail. Like, it's just one of those situations.
They're saying the target zone for Solana in the short term is $190 to $230. So I don't know. It may be a good point for you to get in if you are into Solana.
Yeah,
but
if your bankroll like that, do your homework.
Right. So, but yeah, that was the main thing there. So it's pretty much their validation and verification that they're gonna try and fix going forward. It seemed like they got more problems than that, but I guess this is a start.
Yep. Yeah. So I mean, they got to start somewhere. They better start fixing that blockchain. If the DTCC done said, you know what I'm saying, they gonna use them. That's how I know it's some developers over there fixing that shit. Because it's probably already fixed. They just ain't gave it to the public yet. So
that's a fact.
Also, ZBEC is retracing. Y'all better catch this retrace. It look like it's down to 1771. I would catch the retrace. If you caught the live last night, ZBEC went on a little run last night. We was at like what we was at? 2096, we was at 2133. We was up there. ZBEC was running last night. That motherfucker took a little sprint last night.
Taking profits.
Yeah, people taking profits. I told y'all it was gonna retrace a little bit, so I would catch this retrace. It's down to 0.01774 right now. So I would go do your homework on ZBEC. ZBEC ain't nothing to play with. If you a member on the YouTube, or if you in the Telegram, we doing a deep dive on ZBEC. We're gonna record it. Me and D, we're gonna do a deep dive on ZBEC this week, and I believe what else we said, XDC. We're gonna do deep dive.
XDC. We did a deep dive on Citibank. That's in the YouTube.
Okay, for members only. So yeah, we're gonna. And did you put it in Telegram?
Oh, I did not. I'll do that right now.
All right. So yeah, we'll throw
do
that.
We have a section for that?
Yeah. I named it something. What did I name it? Where Eve at?
Sorry, the Eve.
Members only deep dive. That's what it's called. Members only. Members
only.
Yeah. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna start doing them deep dives and stuff, but it's gonna be exclusive to the Telegram and the members only. So yeah, that's just what it's gonna be. Them deep dives take a lot of time, and yeah. But yeah, y'all. Do we have anything else? Oh, we do. So the SEC, they announced their agenda for the next roundtable, I believe. So on May 12th, the SEC is announced its deets for its fourth industry roundtable on tokenization. So the next roundtable is on tokenization. Please get familiar with tokenization. It says the May 12th event will feature 2 panels with participants from BlackRock, FTI _US, Fidelity, Securitize, Robinhood, and Apollo Global. They will be in attendance at the next roundtable with the SEC. So I wouldn't sleep on that. They also have the agenda out on the SEC website. So yeah, this is going to be a big one. Let me actually show this newsletter from the SEC. Let me drop that real quick. MacBook. Here we go. Share my screen right there. All right, y'all can see it. So yeah, SEC announces agenda, panelists for roundtable on tokenization. And they changed the date for the roundtable on DeFi. But it says the Security and Exchange Commission's crypto task force announced the agenda and panelists for its May 12th roundtable, tokenization, moving assets on chain, where TradeFi and DeFi meet. I am anxious to see what comes out of this meeting, because this is what we've been talking about. This is why we're doing that class on becoming your own bank. We just released the link for that as well. So that's also in the announcements tab, classes tab, and all that good stuff. But yeah, banking with digital assets. That's the name of the class. And the link is in the bio for that. It's finna get real. We told y'all all this shit was going mainstream. Y'all better get in before the rest of the general public try and get in, because liquidity pools do fill up and you will not get in. Point blank, period. That's why we're trying to put y'all on early. Even if you play with $10, $20, you need to learn and how to maneuver in that space. Y'all need to know what's going on. Tokenization is a technological development that could substantially change many aspects of our financial markets. And this is from Commissioner Hester Pierce, leader of the Crypto Task Force. I look forward to hearing ideas from our panelists on how the SEC should approach this area. It says the roundtable announced in March as part of a series on crypto asset regulation will be held at the SEC headquarters in DC. It's going to be from 1 p.m. to 5:30. The event will be open to the public. Oh, I might have to go to that. When is it? May. Am I going to be here? I think I'm going to be in Florida with you.
When?
You join May 12th, I think. Hold on, May. When is this damn thing?
That's next Monday. Oh yeah, that's next Monday.
Damn. That shit open to the public. I see.
Damn.
Doors open at 12 p.m. For online attendance, registration is not necessary. Oh, but it's a link to watch the event will be available on May 12th. On
okay.
the website, so we can catch it online.
Okay.
So in addition, the date for the Crypto Task Force's roundtable on DeFi and the American spirit. DeFi and the American, y'all better take DeFi serious, bro. If y'all not taking decentralized finance serious, bro, you're doing yourself a disservice. But it says it's been changed from June 6th to June 9th. All those who previously registered were informed. But here's the agenda. So it looks like, yeah, so we got the moderator. I just want to see who coming in from BlackRock. So George Quinn coming from Securitize. Joshua Rivera coming from Blockchain Capital. He gonna be there. Okay, Cynthia coming for Fidelity. Let's see. I don't see the people from Black. They said BlackRock gonna be there, right? Am I looking over it? The DTCC gonna be there. Oh, here we go. Robert. Okay, Robert Mitchnick is gonna be there from BlackRock. So he gonna be at from 2 to 3:30. That's when you want to listen, because BlackRock was the first one to get on like mainstream media and say the word tokenization. So I'm anxious to see what they're gonna say at this roundtable, because they was the first ones to bring up tokenization. I feel like in mainstream media from like an institution that big. I feel like they might have been the first big institution to say something. So yeah. Yeah. So I'll be looking forward to that. Diego said Robinhood CEO wants to tokenize OpenAI and SpaceX so that the everyday person can invest in private companies. Yep. That's gonna it's gonna change everything about in finance and investing. It's gonna give everybody an opportunity to take advantage of it. So I will learn that word tokenization if you're not familiar with it.
Drax. Learn the word tokenization, man. Like that shit is.
Y'all better learn what it is. Y'all better learn what it is and all that good stuff, because yeah, this about to get serious. I think that's pretty much it for right now.
And for y'all in the Telegram, I just put in the deep dive. The deep dive is about an hour for that Citibank. So sit back, relax, enjoy the document that we're going through, and we see that there's some deep ties to companies that you know about for Citibank.
Yep. So yeah, for sure. So yeah, y'all. So yeah, we will we may be back on later. We're gonna see if any news come out. Please, before we get off, please keep the tunnel vision, guys. The distractions are gonna be coming in. I think the Diddy trial started today. I think they're supposed to be picking the jurors and shit, the people, you know what I'm saying, the jurors and shit supposed to get picked. So please keep the tunnel vision, because the distractions are gonna be coming in hot. But please don't forget that while that's going on, they're gonna have a whole lot of stuff going on in the background while everybody's fixated on that case. It's a reason why that case is going to trial in this time frame, in this time period. So please keep your tunnel, please kill the noise, keep your tunnel vision. because they just out here trying to distract everybody. So don't you know what I'm saying?
All day.
Don't get caught up. You was supposed to go throw a ban in ZBEC and you got caught up in a Diddy debate and done you looked at the price and the price done went up on your ass. You like, damn, I could have had 20,000 more tokens. Bullshitting. You better stay focused.
Nah, y'all gotta stay focused, Joe. Y'all gotta stay focused. You know what I mean? This is crucial stuff that's happening right now. So stay focused. Like you could look at it, you could glance over there for a few. You know what I mean? We like to glance over there, shit. You know what I mean? But we know what's going on. We know what's going on. So, but you know, the more you glance over there, you miss out on opportunities that's over here. So for y'all that caught the live and caught what Aquaman was saying earlier, listen, he put the whole thing in the Telegram group. And when's the class? The class for anybody that's asking is on the 18th. It's gonna be another live class.
Yeah, it's gonna be another live class. It's gonna be with DeFi King and Mr. Aqua. So those that got questions, like it's gonna really be DeFi King gonna really go in there. Y'all know DeFi King is very detailed. He's gonna go through the ins and outs with loan protocol and show y'all all that stuff that he was talking about. If y'all caught that live with him, all that stuff he was talking about with loan protocol and metal and staking and all that. He's gonna go all over that in the class. And then we got Aqua coming in. He's gonna be talking about some more DeFi information and doing some more demonstrations and showing y'all what y'all getting yourselves into. Because I want y'all to see it and see how they're making money over there. That way you like, okay, this is something I want to do, opposed to just sitting here telling y'all about it. I want y'all to kind of see it. So that's why we're taking our time out to do these class, to do that class. So yeah, the link for that's in the bio. Do you think Ripple will acquire Circle? It's possible. I see the benefits of them doing it. I see why they're doing it. I was reading up on it. I don't think they're gonna acquire them for $20 billion. Does Ripple even have $20 billion? I thought they only had 14. Who fucking knows? Ripple got bread over there, but
They do.
I could see them acquiring Circle, but that would be like a monopoly. So, but we'll see. I wouldn't put it past. It's not gonna shock me if they do. It's not gonna shock me if they don't. Yeah.
No, it's not a shocker. It's not gonna be a shocker.
Yeah, it's not.
They
Yeah.
have plenty of it. They got the bread to do it. They got the bread to do it. They got the means to do it.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So yeah, y'all. Other than that, though, we'll see y'all in the Telegram. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So we'll see y'all in the Telegram. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all.
All right.